Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a person stretching. So grab your pencils and let's get drawing. The first thing I want to just let you know is that the position of the stretch is going to be a knee forward. So you're going to have, I'll do this lightly, you're going to have your head, neck, torso. You're going to have a knee forward, leg down, foot, and then going backwards you're going to have another, your thigh, your leg, and your foot. Like that. That's the position we're going to be doing. You're going to have an arm back and on the waist, and on the other side you're going to have an arm down and on the waist as well. That's what we're going to be drawing. So we'll clean this up and we'll kind of put this all together for you. So let's start with the head. We're basically going to draw a person's head over here, and we'll continue down with the neck. This is going to be an outline shape. So it will be done in a, somewhat of an outline figure-like drawing, not a sketch or artistic drawing by any means. So we'll draw a female, so the torso will be here. We'll have them leaning forward in a way that they are, tilting forward, kind of in an action-like pose, tilting forward, etc. Okay. They say that the best time to stretch is after exercise, but that's not necessarily true. That's actually one of the myths about stretching. So you certainly want to be aware of that if you're going to be stretching. I don't know, I always kind of stretched before, but maybe I should reevaluate that. If you're going to draw the outline of the leg going forward, you might want to just think of your lines in the middle of your leg. So draw a line like this, and then kind of draw the outer parts surrounding. And your foot will just go like this. So you're going to go foot, foot, kind of like that. Okay. In terms of the back side, you'll also want to just draw the buttocks over here, and then you can again, we're going to do a thigh over here. And the foot should be in the same plane over there, of course. The foot's going to go over here. So we're just going to kind of do one of these. Okay. And this is an outline sketch, so we're certainly not going to make it as complex or complicated for you. So kind of keep it simple. I'm going to use the line method, so you can draw your lines in the middle of your legs, and then you draw the thighs around it. Typically you have this kind of muscular-like form or structure like that, right? So we're starting to develop this shape of this person. I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of fix up the back a little bit, maybe just kind of bring it just a little more like that. And we're going to draw the arm. So the arm will come off the shoulder, and we're going to go, we'll use our line method. So we're going to go down and back onto the waist. Okay? And what you do is you just, get those arms like that, and then just like that. So that's kind of the line method. You draw your lines in the middle, and then you draw the outer parts of the arms around it. And then the hand would just be over here, okay? We're gonna draw the other arm just at the back, and you're gonna see the slightest little bit of it because it's going on the other waist, and you might actually have a bit of the hand over here as well, okay? Aside from that, you're just gonna make sure that you're pretty happy with the shape of this. I think at this moment, the head looks like it's coming towards me, so we wanna kind of draw the chin-like pose. That's a common way to do it, is person looking forward, and just make sure that their head shape is over there. Okay. So it's a female person, so we'll just draw some hair like that. And I think I might just want to clean this up for you, for your sake, just to show you just a better looking line segment over there, and we'll just clean up this side over here. And I'll clean up this side over here. We'll just kind of thin out the arm a little bit. I think we went a little bit too thick, so. Another myth about stretching is that stretching should be uncomfortable, and that's actually not true. If stretching is painful, you've gone too far. You don't want to go that far. You want to get to the point where when you stretch, it feels like you're you know, pushing your muscles without going too far. That's the last thing you want to do. So keep that in mind as well. Another myth is that you should hold your, not a myth, but kind of doing a quiz here for you. You should hold your stretch for 15 seconds, and that's true. A lot of popular opinion is that if you can hold your stretch for 15 seconds, then you'll have a much better result. And I think the reason that is because your muscle will actually you know, stretch. You know, I'm by no means a doctor, but I know that that's a popular opinion as well. So yeah, I think we're basically done with the general shape of this stretch. What I would say is if you want to finish off this line drawing, grab a nice dark pencil, maybe the 8B, and just kind of just go over some darker spots. What you can do is kind of emphasize some of the lines with this darker, and this is, you know, somewhat of a athletic person, female. You can see that we've got her with some nice muscular definition, but you can draw the person that you want in any way, shape, or form that you like. We have hands over here. We have a hand on the, sort of on the waist, kind of a bit forward actually. We got an arm, we have the upper arm, and we have kind of a torso like over here. So the head's over here, and just some hair. It's a female, so this person is kind of pushing forward. That's basically it. That's how you would draw a person stretching. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.